Good morning guys, how are you all doing? Now today I'm very excited for today because, well, this morning I have a few errands to run. I have to deliver some papers at the Board of Ed and then drop off my boosted board that I had just reviewed the other day. I have to return that back to the company. But tonight is very exciting because I'm actually going on a big shoot for a client, and I thought I would bring you guys along, show you what I sort of do when I do video projects. So let's get on with the day. First up, errands. Okay guys, so I just got this package in the mail. I did not order anything, so I am guessing that this is a product that a company sent me, and I have no clue what's inside, so I thought why not unbox it on camera and show you guys. I'm probably not going to do a whole dedicated video on it, but I thought I could throw it into this vlog. So, let's cut it open. Okay, so it looks like I've been sent some sort of mini air conditioner, so let's set this up and see if it works. Alright, so this little fan is actually a pretty cool product. I don't think it'll do anything to cool off an entire room, but if you just kind of put this next to you on your desk and aim it at you, it could give you some nice cool air, and it's a very light breeze, so it's actually quite comfortable. I have a fan in my dorm room in school that kind of blows air on me, but it's really, really strong. So having like this nice little cool light breeze like this is actually quite nice. Alright, I give the air cooler personal space cooler a big thumbs up. Alright, let's keep going with the vlog. Alright guys, first stop, dropping off this boosted board at FedEx. Alright, I'll meet you back in the car. Alright, that was pretty easy. Got the receipt. Next stop will be dropping off my working papers at the Livingston Board of Education. So let's go. Alright, here at the Board of Ed, let's go bring these papers in and then get on with the day so we can go film later tonight. Alright, let's go. Alright, just dropped off all of the papers. Now, what do you say we get home and pack up all the gear before I head out tonight? Alright, errands done. Next up, packing all this up for the shoot tonight. So go. Okay guys, I just got to the event. It was a very, very long drive, but now I think I'm gonna start off by getting some drone footage of it, and then we're gonna head inside and just kind of have fun, film stuff, and I'll show you the footage. So yeah, drone first. I just wrapped up flying the drone. I'm walking into the event now. I can hear the music, so this should be a lot of fun. Alright, let's take a look. Right. Alrighty, we are all done, we are all packed up. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this sort of vlog of my day, running errands, and then also filming this awesome event at night. That house was insane. I mean, look at this neighborhood. Look at this house. This neighborhood, these houses, they're all gorgeous, and I really enjoyed filming this event. It was awesome. The people were awesome. If you guys enjoyed it too, please hit that like button. Also comment down below letting me know what you thought of this vlog. I thought I would bring you guys along with sort of my day when I go out to a video shoot, and I wanted to share it with you. So if you enjoyed it, hit that like button. Also feel free to share this with your friends and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like it, as I have a lot more videos coming out very, very soon. Anyway, thanks, subscribe, and now let's head on back home. I will catch you all in the next video.